Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix static noise coming from speakers on laptop. So guys, if you are using any company's laptop, so just you have to find out audio driver for particular company. Like if you are using Dell, so open any web browser, then here type Dell audio driver. Similarly, you type HP audio driver or Acer audio driver. So type your company name and driver. Then click on download as a support drivers and manual, or if you will find Acer sound audio driver for Windows 11 10 at, so open that link. Then click on download now. And make sure you using official company. If you see and not know properly about third-party company, so you have to open this first official link for Acer, Dell or HP company. Identify your Acer device, so enter serial or SN ID or model number, and also select your device from this list. And here you can search audio driver. So you will see here audio driver, and download latest driver and install that driver to your PC. So here we can see a list of driver, and you will see the guide for installing that driver to your PC. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and by these simple steps we can know how to fix and resolve by installing latest audio driver to your laptop. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.